Hey guys, this is David with Catalyst Connect. I'm going to quickly take you through the process of testing your content within Zoho campaigns. We're here on the campaigns dashboard. I'm going to go into one of the autoresponders we already have. You can also do this with just your normal email campaigns. And the reason you want to do this is just to make sure that your content looks the way you want it to and it's formatted correctly within the emails. So what you want to do is go ahead and you can either create a new autoresponder or go into one that you've already created. It's the same process for either one, and it'll take you to this basic info, which is the same thing as when you're creating one. And then you go into the content section, and you may already have a template chose, or for this case, we'll just go ahead and pick a predefined template. Then it'll load the content, make sure everything looks the way you want. You can edit it within this editor. Once you're finished, you go ahead and click on Save and Proceed. Once it saves that content, it'll pull up the next screen. And as you can see here, it'll preview it again, and then it allows you to preview and test. If you click on this button here, go ahead and click on that, enter your test email that you want it to be sent out to. Go ahead and hit Send Test Email, and then you'll receive that in your inbox. And then you can go ahead and wait for that to come through. Check your inbox, make sure it looks good, and then if it doesn't, you can go ahead and edit it again. Or if it does, you can hit Next, continue creating or editing it, and then send it in for review. Once it's sent in for review, you can choose when you want to send it out, and that should just about do it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.